And that challenge was published in the American papers of that time. And the whole issue was brought to the public notice. And the result was that Dewey, Dr. Dewey, was utterly destroyed and so completely defeated that the Christian American papers of that time gave the headline news that the Messiah of Qadian has won and Dr. Dewey has got defeated. So a challenge must result in such a situation where even your adversaries have to admit this. So that is one situation where you can decide such issues. Another of the similar nature we find in case of his Muslim adversaries. He threw a challenge to the Muslim ulama who were very bitterly opposed to him and left no stone unturned to destroy him, that the last issue which remains now after all this debate and argumentation is this, that we are both speaking in the name of God, in the name of a real God. So let us refer this to him. Take this issue to his court. You pray against me and I'll pray against you. That your prayer is not heard. In one instance, it is not a dual challenge. It says that I now require you of praying against me and telling God that, look here, what has happened to you? We want to destroy this false man. It is your religion which is in danger from this person. And we are opposing him with all our might. Yet nothing is happening. So now we turn to you for aid, for help. Destroy such person. Totally wipe him out. And show that you exist. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam, having thrown this challenge, also said that even if your foreheads, if in a state of prostration, are wiped out by rubbing against the ground, even if your eyelids are shed because of excessive crying and things, your prayer will not be heard, because I tell you I am from God and from none else. But he didn't leave it at that. He prayed against him in such a situation. He said also, you also pray and I am also praying. And there he prayed to God that, oh God, if you see I am a false person, I am a criminal, I am attributing things to you which you never said, then apart from those adversaries who are praying, I pray against myself. I pray that shower fire on my house, my household, and destroy everybody, and wipe me out and my name and my followers and everything, and do away with us. Now this is the prayer he is making against himself and joining hands with his adversaries, with a condition, with a big if, of course, if he is a false man. What happens? All the attempts of the adversaries are not only frustrated in his time, but up to our time the same story is repeated over and over again. After every movement of hostility against Ahmadiyyat, Ahmadiyyat comes out to be victorious. Now how can you judge that this is not happening by chance? Number one, there is a repeated history. There is a trend. There is a direction which does not change. Chances do not happen like this in such orderly fashion spread over a long time of 100 years or so. Chances occur either this way or that way, sometimes in the side of one and sometimes on the side of the other. This is not what is happening in the case of Ahmadiyyat. This is how the truth is verified. Secondly, the odds are always against us. the chances are always against us, because the enemy outnumbers us. In resources, he is much more and much stronger. In number, he exceeds beyond all proportion. And sometimes even the governments of the time are with the enemy, and openly, committedly so. And we are declared to be just non-entities, nothing. Yet, after every attempt to destroy us, we come out stronger, much bigger than before. And the same enemy admits it after every such movement. Read the history of Ahmadiyyat after such fanatic movements of opposition to Ahmadiyyat, and you will find, and I can quote hundreds of non-Ahmadi scholars admitting this fact, that Ahmadiyyat, despite all our efforts, emerged victorious, and we don't know what happened. And they try to analyze the situation and forward excuses. But nothing happens. So the odds are against such a movement, outnumbering odds. And the time allotted is much larger. And the time such contests occurred are so many, so numerous. And still there is a positive trend, there is a direction, and no exception whatsoever in the totality of the outcome.
21 Maulvis, they died by Mubala at the reverse of time.
No, I'm not talking of that now. we have switched over to another subject, please.